Coming in this morning, let's go straight to these developments from the Supreme Court of India. Big Gyanvapi hearing in the court today. Hindu side seeks survey of the Wazookhana area and the mosque. Hindu side asserts it's a Shivling. Muslim side is against the survey of the Wazukhana. After puja in the Gyanvapi basement, it's a big legal tussle over Wazukhana. Wazukhana or Shivling? That's the big question before the APICS Court today. Hindu side says it's a Shivling. We need, in fact, our rights to pray there. The Muslim side says that this area cannot be surveyed. The Supreme Court is to take a call on whether they are going to allow survey of the Wazukhana area or not. The Muslim side is against the survey of the Wazukhana area after puja now in the Gyanvapi basement. The Hindu side says that we have to offer prayers at the Wazukhana and for which a survey must be allowed. The Hindu side continues to maintain that there is a Shivling there and this isn't a Wazukhana. The Muslim side says otherwise. The APICS Court is going to take a call on this matter. Whether there is going to be a survey allowed in the Wazukhana area or not is what the court will soon decide. Big Gyanvapi hearing in the Supreme Court, where the Hindu side seeks survey of the Wazukhana area and the mosque. Hindu side asserts it's a Shivling. Muslim side is against the Wazukhana survey. After puja in the Gyanvapi basement, big legal tussle over Shivling now. The Wazukhana or the ablution area was sealed, remember, in the year 2022 following the order from the Supreme Court. According to the Hindu side, the fountain-like structure in the Wazukhana is a Shivling. The Supreme Court is to hear a plea seeking survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque, Wazukhana. This plea is going to be heard today. The Muslim side essentially is opposing this, saying that this area can't be surveyed. Remember, the Wazukhana area was sealed in 2022 following an order from the Supreme Court. Kanu is getting asked more details on that story. Kanu, essentially it's for the court now to take a call on whether a survey to begin with is going to be allowed or not, because that will determine the course of things further, the course of action further. But why is the Muslim side opposing the survey? Tell us more about that.
Yes, Neha, essentially the Supreme Court is going to decide on the Hindu side's petition whether the Wazukhana, which the Muslim side claim and the Hindu side claim that it is a Shivling, is actually a Shivling or not, and the ASI survey needs to identify that. So the Supreme Court is going to essentially hear this plea first, that whether the ASI survey, this has been already conducted across the mosque, but whether the Shivling, as claimed by the Hindu side, is the Shivling original in place or not. Also, the Muslim side is saying that this is the Wazukhana and not the Shivling as claimed by the other side. So interesting legal things that are going to be expected from the Supreme Court today.
Right. Kanu, essentially you're telling us that the survey is going to, in fact, obviously give us a sense of the way things will move forward. But the Hindu side continues to say that this, in fact, is a Shivling. Also, take us back in time. In 2022, this area was also sealed. Talk to us about the reasons why.
Yes, Neha, the area, this Wazukhana, as claimed by the Muslim side, was sealed in 2022 on the request of the Hindu side, saying that this was a Shivling in the ancient times, and that is why the only reason why the Supreme Court had sealed that area. And now the Hindu sides are claiming that since they have allowed the Vyas ka Tehkana to be opened up, now the next thing that they want is to allow the devotees to go and worship at the Shivling, which is as per the Muslim side is a Wazukhana.
Thank you for the moment. Kanu getting us up to speed with those developments as far as the big matter in Supreme Court today is concerned.